लड़का हो या लड़की, दोनों को पढ़ाना है।
शौच के बाद साबुन पानी से हाथ ना धोने का मतलब है बीमारी के कीटाणुओं को दावत देना।
हर बच्चे को शिक्षा मिले, आपकी, मेरी, हम सबकी जिम्मेदारी है।
Seeing my character, Shabnam, the Anganwadi worker, or similar characters take head-on social issues such as girls' education, gender inequity, maternal and infant health, and HIV/AIDS on the show inspires the viewers to deal with such problems. Let's go to Ghatsila in Jharkhand, where 2 youth volunteers have become champions of health and sanitation in their village. Meet the leaders of change.
हमारे गांव में बिंदा
A woman from our village, Binda Vehra, had refused to get her child immunized during the immunization drive at the Anganwadi center because the child had a fever at that point of time.
बच्चा बीमार हो, उसे बुखार हो, कुछ भी हो, पर टीकाकरण नहीं रोकना चाहिए। वो उसके पूरे जीवन के लिए जरूरी है।
तो हमने कहा कि क्यों
We told them that we had seen in क्योंकि जीना इसी का नाम है that it's safe to immunize a child even if he or she has a fever. We insisted that the child be taken for immunization. The father threatened us with dire consequences. He said we would be held responsible if something happened to the child.
Since we got the child immunized at our own risk, so we kept going back to make sure that the child was doing well. We were happy to know that he was perfectly healthy.
Our child is safe thanks to them. He has had no major health problems after being immunized.
The immunization was a success.
Vandana and Veronica are also part of the Kyunki viewer panel group. Every month, such groups set up in different states, meet to discuss the show. Their dialogue and exchange of ideas create small ripples of change in the community.
It was through watching the serial that I became aware of timing births and learned about the right methods of feeding and taking care of a baby.
In neighboring Bihar, a young spirited girl, Deepmala, like thousands of women in India, is ashamed of defecating in the open. In the show, I made it very clear how important a toilet was for me.
कितने लोग अब भी खेतों में जाते हैं? अरे तुम्हारे अपने घर में तुम्हारी अपनी खाला, हमारे पंच गजानंद बाबू और मीना का भाई राजू,
तीनों की खेत जाने की बुरी आदत को मैं बदलूंगी।
और अगर नहीं बदल सकी तो
ये निकाह नहीं होगा।
The only difference between me and Deepmala is that my struggle was on the screen and hers was for real.
My school friends would make fun of me as we didn't have a toilet in our home. It was very embarrassing. One day I was watching Kyunki Jeena Isi Ka Naam Hai, and in one episode they showed Shabnam getting married. Her aunt was visiting, and on going to the fields to relieve herself, she was teased by the children. On seeing that, I felt very bad. I told my father that we needed a toilet in our home because I did not want our guests to have to go in the open and feel embarrassed about it.
I did not have enough money for getting a toilet constructed at home, so I refused. But she kept insisting and left me with no choice.
Father was against the toilet construction at first, but I kept at it and he finally agreed. Now we have a toilet at home. It feels great. We no longer have to go outside in the fields.
I loved the role of Master Ji in Kyunki. I have learned a lot by watching him and his methods of teaching.
be it prenatal sex determination or child marriage. One such story that left a lasting impression on the viewers was the story of Kajri.
जिया मोरा घबराए बाबुल जिया मोरा घबराए बिन बोले रहा ना जाए.
In the heart of central India, Madhya Pradesh, in the village Hinota of Jabalpur, lives Ramdas Patel. He challenged the social norm of child marriage.
My wife and I both watch क्योंकि जीना इसी का नाम है. A 17-year-old was getting married in a village. I am aware that a girl should only be married after the age of 18. So I explained to the father that he cannot get his daughter married as she was underage. He didn't agree. So I told him in that case I would have to report this to the police and both the bride's and the groom's family would be put behind bars.
I have also seen the serial and the people here had explained the consequences to me. The groom's family was not willing to postpone the wedding when I told them that my daughter was underage and it was illegal to get her married before she was 18.
इस उम्र में इसका ब्याह ये गैर कानूनी है. तुम सबको जेल हो सकती है.
They finally agreed and the girl was married only after 6 months when she was above 18.
I was so excited to know that an Anganwadi center in Hinota village in Jabalpur has now become famous for its baby showers exactly like the ones we have in Kyunki Jeena. So, I couldn't stop myself. I had to meet Shabnam in real life. What's unique about this God Bharai or baby shower ceremony is that Anganwadi worker blesses the pregnant woman with 100 IFA tablets, antenatal checkup and immunization card.
Women don't disclose their pregnancy in the initial months as they're scared of their in-laws. We also used to conduct baby showers, but in a much simpler way. When we saw how you conducted Rekha's baby shower in the serial with great flair and celebration, we adopted it.
Maya started out by using her own funds, but now the panchayat occasionally provides her with funds. It's inspiring to see Kamla, the Asha worker in Kyunki Jeena Isi Ka Naam Hai. Initially, I never worked like she did, but seeing her on the show, I now work like her.
We are the heroes on the small screen playing our part. But these are the everyday heroes. Heroes who fought against all odds and initiated positive change. There are more like them, many more. Kyunki's world is real, yet aspirational, entertaining and educational. Stories that tug at the heart of its viewers and plant seeds of change, leaving a lasting impression on the lives of people in thousands of ways.